Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to add extension in Google Chrome. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to open Google Chrome in your computer. Now it is opened. Then after you can see there is a three lines in top right corner. Just tap on it and scroll down a little bit. Then you can see find this kind of message extensions, and under the extension menu there is option called visit Chrome Web Store. Just tap on it. Now it is open Chrome Web Store, and you can search the extension from here, and you can choose the extension from the list also, and assume you need to extension called IDM. Just go to search bar and type for IDM and hit enter. Now you can see extensions are appeared here. Assume you need to this extension, just tap on it. Then you can see there is option called add to Chrome. Then again tap on it, and it will be asked the not about you need to add this extension to your browser. Just tap on add extension. Now it is adding to your Chrome browser. Okay, now it is enabled. Okay, just close this one and open new tab and close this one, and you can see the extension from like this. Just tap on three lines again and go to extensions and go to manage extensions. Yeah, you can see these are the extensions currently installed on my Chrome browser. This is the latest one we installed. You can remove the extension from this completely, or you can deactivate this extension temporarily, and if you need again you can just turn it on. Okay, and you can see the details of the extension. It is size and permissions, all the things. Yeah, so this is how you can add the extension to your Chrome browser. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you very much.